What are the reasons for water leakage in industrial chillers? 1. Industrial chillers are generally installed indoors. When the condensed water is discharged, it often depends on the gravity of the water itself to flow out. If the drain pipe of the condensed water is not along the direction of drainage, and the slope is not conducive to the discharge of condensed water, then it will cause poor drainage and cause overflow. 2. The condensed water pan is not well insulated, or the condensed water pan is broken and causes water leakage. 3. The condensate pan of the industrial chiller is aging and has cracks during years of use, or the condensate pan is damaged due to gravity tension during installation and transportation, which will also cause water leakage of the unit. 4. The connection between the drain pipe of the condensate pan and the outlet pipe of the industrial chiller is not done properly, or the connection is damaged, which will also cause water leakage.